Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World and we're ready to chit chat, it's discussion time, so let's talk. All right, you all, it's about the Galaxy Watch. Now, if you've seen the title, we're talking about the rise and fall of the Galaxy Watch. Doesn't necessarily mean that Samsung isn't going to make any sales. What it does mean is that for whatever sales that Samsung is looking for off of the smartwatch, they may not reach their mark, right? And we're going to talk about why. Now, Samsung, if you're listening, these are maybe some corrective measures that you may want to take for next year. Hopefully it doesn't take you 2 years, because we waited 2 years for what we got and we feel like we really didn't get anything. And we'll talk about that. We're not saying that it's not a nice looking smartwatch. We're not saying that it's totally bad or anything like that, Samsung. What we're saying is that you could have put a little bit more work into what you brought to the table. And with that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick this off. Now, first off, I'm gonna put that down. I'm just gonna talk about it. Now, there's 3 reasons why Samsung will rise and fall with the Galaxy Watch. And we're going to talk about the hardware. Now, the hardware it's a beautiful smartwatch. Don't get me wrong. It has a rotating bezel, has a nice casing on it. You can change out the bands. You can customize it to the way you want it to look so far as the bands are concerned. The lugs look really nice. It's not a bad deal. That's not the problem with the hardware. Now, me personally, I wish that we could have, or you could have made the smartwatch a little bit thinner. But it is what it is. We're going to take it. I like it, no problem. The issue with this watch out the gate is that you made 2 versions of this with the 42 millimeter. The smaller size watch, you made 2. Now, the weird part about it is last year you only brought a smaller smartwatch. The year before then, Samsung brought the 46 millimeter, which was pretty much mainly for men, because a lot of women don't like the big gaudy watches on their wrist. So this year we get them both, but we get 2 versions of the smaller version, right? And that's rose gold and that's midnight black. And for the bigger version, which is the 46 millimeter, what we get is one choice, just one. And here's the thing about this, Samsung, two-tone. Two-tone at that, right? You couldn't leave it just black or just silver. It's two-tone. And it's kind of like you threw this in our face. You say, here it is, take it or leave it, right? And most people, they're leaving it, Samsung. You really don't know. Listen, go into the video. It's called the Galaxy Watch versus the Gear 3. What's the difference? Check out the comments. Now, 98% of the people who commented on the channel said that they're not going to upgrade, and I understand why. We don't have a choice with this. Me, I was looking for another silver smartwatch. Why? Because silver goes with everything, in my opinion, and some people may feel the same way about black. But I think that we should have had more of an option instead of the two-tone. Samsung, you failed on this one. This would be one of the reasons why the Galaxy Watch will not meet its mark so far as sales is concerned. Number 2, let's talk about the features and functions that came with this smartwatch. Now, again, remember, it's been 2 years since we've been waiting on this so-called awesome smartwatch that was going to come to the market. Now, one of the things we were looking for was the blood pressure monitor. That did not come. I was hoping for the IR blaster. That didn't come. I was also hoping for something different. Didn't know what I was hoping for, but I was hoping for something different, something new, something wow that Samsung would normally bring to the table. We didn't get none of that. Now, somebody told me that I was totally wrong, that the watches are different. And then when we talk about features, what did we get? First of all, we got the 5 ATM, which they put on the Gear Sport. Now, I didn't know that they was going to do this with that, right? They did the same exact thing. It's like a remake of the smartwatch, just from the Gear 3 and the Gear Frontier perspective, because they blended the two together, and that's how we got the smartwatch we got now. So they put the 5 ATM in that. Now, for those of us, I mean, hit me in the comment section down below, please. Let me know who all swims, who all is going deep sea diving, who all is on the Olympics, who all swims at school. How many of you all are going to use this smartwatch for swimming? Because before we even got this, we've already had it where it was water and dust resistant, right? Which means that we were able to go down to 5 meters with the smartwatch before 5 ATM came about. So we were already cool, but something happened. Samsung has got to be banking on something else so far as revenue is concerned. All right, and I'm just reaching right now, but it's a possibility I could be right. Now, with that being said, what did we get? We got the 5 ATM, which is, you know, I can go swimming in salt water. I can go deep sea diving if I want to. Two, we got a bigger battery, which the battery that should have came long time ago, right? But we got it, right? We got 472 milliamp hour battery, which is supposed to give us 5 to 7 days, which is awesome. That's what I was looking for. Now we also get a boost in RAM. We get a boost in RAM, which is cool. That's not bad at all, which means that the processing power is going to be great. It should be fluid. We shouldn't have no problem with lag or anything like that. And when I first got the smartwatch, we didn't have no problem with it, but we do now. So that should make for a greater smartwatch. Now, me personally, I thought more should have came. Now, the battery is the bigger factor in it all. Now, the RAM, yes, we'll take that. We'll take that with no problem. But the 5 ATM, I think Samsung could have left it. Right? That's just in my opinion. Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your feelings. Not trying to step on any toes or anything like that, right? This is just my opinion, my feelings, my expression, right? We're just having a discussion. Number three, last but not least, and we're going to talk about this one for a minute. The MST, the magnetic strip technology. Now, me personally, I don't use it, right? I don't like the fact that I have to put a pin code in order to use it. No, I continue to use my Samsung Pay with the magnetic strip technology on my Galaxy Note 8, or when the Galaxy Note 9 comes, I use it on that one. Now, on the watch, I didn't use it, but there's many people, and I'm talking about, I didn't know it was this many people that use Samsung Pay on their smartwatch, but they do. The magnetic strip technology makes it convenient to use this almost everywhere. Unlike the NFC that Google have and Apple have, Samsung gives you the opportunity and ability to pretty much scan anywhere. We're talking about Target, Walmart, Best Buy. You can also go to McDonald's. You can go to the gas station. And I'm talking about inside the gas station, right? You can use it. It works. It really, really works. But I didn't know that many people like it, but it's a big deal. And that's one of the main reasons why people are not upgrading, along with the fact that they didn't offer no options with the smartwatch, with the bigger version, the 46 millimeter. And this could cause Samsung sales not to reach its goal. That's just me. That's my opinion. That's my belief. And it's not to say that they won't reach it, because Samsung they may have an ace up their sleeve. But my question to you is, what do you think? Because I already know you're not getting a smartwatch. But what do you think? Do you think that this is going to make or break the Galaxy Watch? Do you think the Galaxy Watch will pretty much fall to the wayside after about a few months or so? Or do you think Samsung will actually do great in sales? All right, you all, I just wanted to chit chat with you for a minute, especially getting all the comments, and I appreciate all the comments. Thank you for checking out the video. I got a lot out of it. I'm telling you, I couldn't believe that many people commented and said that they were not getting the Galaxy Watch. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're going to get the Galaxy Watch, or if you're going to keep what you have, or if you're on the borderline of choosing between the Gear S3 and the Galaxy Watch. Let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this rant, this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.